Hi, Cardinals. Today, we're going to work more with the Say 10 way. We're going to work with our learning target today that says, I can count straws the Say 10 way to 20 and make a pile for each 10. Before we begin with that learning target, we're going to review some things with some fluency practice, then an application problem. Then we're going to work on that learning target. I'll work through the problem set with you, and then I'll give you something fun to do at home for you to practice counting things the Say 10 way all the way to 20. Let's start off looking at our dots. Look carefully at the dots. How many dots do you see? I see 7. How do you see 7? I could see 7 different ways. I could see 5 here and 2 here. 5 and 2 make 7. I could see 4 here and 3 here. 4 and 3 make 7. Your turn. Look at some more dots. Ready? How many do you see? Tell your head, tell your hand, say it out loud. 7. Great job. How do you see 7? Excellent. Someone could have said, I see 1 here and I see 6 here. Was there another way to see 7? Yes. Someone could say, I see 3 here and I see 4 here. Excellent job. How many dots do you see? 7. How do you see 7 here? Someone could have said, I see 1 dot here and I see 6 dots here. Did you see it a different way? Kiss your brains. I am so proud of you. Now we're going to look at our circles again. How many circles do you see? I see 6 circles on the top. I see 1 circle on the bottom. What is the total number of circles? That's right, 7. Now we want to make a number bond to show what we see. I could say, I saw 6 on top, 1 on the bottom. Altogether, I had 7. Where did the 6 come from? The one's on top. Where did the 1 come from? The one on the bottom. Where did the 7 come from? All of them. You are so smart. Kiss your brain. Now, how many do you see? 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do you see 8? Can you make a number bond to show 8? What goes in the whole amount? 8. That's right. Now let's look back at our dots. What could our 2 parts be? Yes, we could say there are 6 on top and 2 on the bottom. So what are our two parts? 6 and 2. Great job. Now, what do you see? 9. Whoa! How can we make a number bond to show this picture? Think about it. What is the whole amount? That's right. The whole amount is 9. What could our two parts be? How many are on top? 6. How many are on bottom? 3. 6 and 3 make 9. Great job. Now, let's talk about our teenage numbers. Let's listen to the story and draw a picture to match. Pat covered 16 holes when playing the flute. She covered 10 holes with her fingers on the first note she played. Let's draw the 10 holes to show the notes she played. I'm going to draw them the 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, return, sweep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Draw the 6 holes she played on the second note. Where should I draw the next 6? Underneath. Again, I'm going to use the 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop, return, sweep. 6. Now, let's count the number of holes the say 10 way. Do you remember the say 10 way? We say this is a group of 10. I don't have to recount my group of 10 because I know it is a group of 10. I say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6. She played 16 notes. What is 16 the say 10 way? Yes, 10, 6. Let's practice counting the say 10 way. Look at my hands up here. How many fingers do you see? 10. Very good. Let's count our fingers. I will count our fingers the say 10 way. Then we will count them the teenage number way. Ready? 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 tens. That's right, Cardinals. We don't say 10, 10. We say 2 tens. Now let's count them the teenage number way. Ready? 10. What's one more than 10? 11. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! I am going to say the teenage number. Can you tell me the say 10 way? So if I said 11, you would say 10, 1. Ready? 12. You should have said 10, 2. 13. 10, 3. 14. 10, 4. 15. 10, 5. 16. 10, 6. 17. 10, 7. 18. 10, 8. 19. 10, 9. 20. 2 tens. That's right. When we get to 20, we have 2 sets of 10. Great job, Cardinals. Let's think about that today as we work with our straws. We need to count our straws into a group of 10. Once we get a group of 10, think about our calendar. They all have to group together. Remember that tens place when we moved our chains? Let's count our straws to make a group of 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many straws do we have? Great job. We have 10 straws. Now let's pull some more straws and count the say 10 way. We don't have to recount this group of 10 because we know it's 10. We have to count on. So if I pull one more straw, I have 10, 1. Ready? 10, 2. 10, 3. 10, 4. 10, 5. 10, 6. How many straws do I have to say 10 way? 10, 6. That's right. Great job, Cardinals. Now, let's look at our page together today. Today, we have a group of teenage numbered objects. We have to count how many and match them to the correct say 10 way. Let's look at the umbrellas first. We want to circle the group of 10, then count the ones that are left over. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. I have a group of 10. I have to circle it. Now, how many do you see are left over? 3. So how many umbrellas do we have the say 10 way? 10, 3. Great job. Look over at the side. Which box says 10, 3? Is this the box? No, that says 10, 1. Is it this box? No, that says 10, 7. Is it this box? Yes, 10, 3. That matches the number of umbrellas. Great job. Now, help me count the kittens. When we find a group of 10, what do we have to do? Circle it. Excellent. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop! What do we have to do? Circle it. Great job. We circle our groups of 10. How many kittens are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kittens do we have the say 10 way? Yes, we have 10, 4. Do, 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 do. Right there. 10, 4. Great job. Now let's count the pineapples. Ooh, this one looks a little tricky. Help me count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop! What do we have to do? Circle it. Great job. Now let's count the next group. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted another group of 10. What do we have to do? Circle it. Excellent job. Uh-oh. I have two groups of 10. What do I call that? The say 10 way. Yes, we call that 2 tens. Now, let's look at those bananas. Let's find and count the group of 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'll stop. What do I do? Circle it. Great job. Oh, look at the bananas. Think about the dots we did earlier. How many bananas do you see? 7? Yes, I see 7 too. 5 on top, 2 on the bottom. So how many bananas are left over? 7. How many bananas do we have the say 10 way? 10, 7. Great job. Let's look at the last group at our hot dogs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop! What do you do? Circle it. How many are left over? Just 1. How many hot dogs do we have the say 10 way? 10, 1. Boop, 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 boop. I am so proud of you, Cardinals. You did a great job counting things the say 10 way. Now it's your turn to practice around your house. Can you find things around the house to count the say 10 way all the way up to 20? Maybe you could count your Legos. Maybe your parents will help you and you can count noodles or Q-tips. Or if you have candy left over, you could even count jelly beans or different types of candy. If you don't have those things, maybe you could go outside and find some rocks or pebbles you can count. There's always something little sitting around, but maybe you should ask your parents first before you count something in the pantry or going outside. Make sure you stay safe and practice counting the say 10 way. Great job, Cardinals. Bye.